Hello and welcome back to Project
69.
Wait, what's that?
69!
All right, we're almost done with Ronnie this year. Welcome back to Project 69. The brakes are
In?
and they're amazing.
Are they?
Well, you haven't driven it yet, but I have. The brake kit, what an amazing upgrade. The car actually stops. Like, put your foot on it and you go
I don't
forward.
have to pull the e-brake, probably.
I would, it's still a series. Your hand right there with the e-brake. So since we've got an extra couple days here, I wanted to address one of the other things. We were driving it in the summer and it would just die. The carburetor, which is located right here. You want to show me what the carburetor looks like, young man? We feel the original one just been sitting forever and ever is no good. We've got this upgrade kit. Well, it's actually a stock replacement, so we're gonna throw it on and I'll let you guess how many bolts hold it on.
4.
It's not 4 bolts, it's 2 bolts. So given the 2-bolt, 4-bolt math, this should only take how many hours?
3.
All right, with that, roll the intro. He's gonna rip out this carburetor. Good job getting this off, but if you noticed in the video, you picked it up and there was 2 washers sitting here and you turned it like so.
Yeah.
Where do those washers go?
I don't know.
See that big hole in there?
Yeah.
Washers fall in there and that leads to,
I don't know.
it leads to the motor. So if we drop anything in that intake, you will be bringing in fuel and air through the carburetor, and then you're going to pull that washer into the motor. You think that's good or bad?
That's pretty bad.
All right, so we need to find those 2 washers before we can continue forward, or we got to take this manifold off, and that has like 400 bolts in it, and we will be here for the rest of your life. So let's find those washers.
All right.
Well, after poking around with Mr. Magnet,
Yeah. I found both of them.
all right, one was,
On the frame.
thank God, and
It was behind the tire.
so we got both of them. Otherwise, we'd have to rip apart that whole manifold, and that does not sound like fun.
No, it doesn't.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah. Not to like mess with open tops with that.
Let me translate that. If you're taking something apart that could fall into your motor, be very careful.
I had no clue.
We noticed. All right, let's get this thing back together. Well, what do you think?
Probably the easiest job we've done because I've had to work with you for a while.
As advertised, only 2 bolts.
2 bolts.
And it came, for once it came off. Thank God you didn't drop the washer.
That would
Now is the moment of truth. You got to go start it.
But
Oh yeah,
this line isn't connected.
the choke cable's bad. We're gonna order a new one. The people before us that own this just hokey pokeyed it together, but it's warm in here, so it should fire right up.
You sure I should do it without a choke cable?
The choke cable, I can actually manually do it if we need to. So, all right,
That's not sketchy at all.
we'll give it a go. All right, buddy, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if she goes. Yeah. You ready? How do you feel about this one?
I don't feel so good, man.
Just turn the key. Like a dream.
When are the
We're gonna-
gas masks coming?
All right, we got to open the garage. All right, guys, on that note, before we die,
I'll see you on the next one.